ka mag-iipon kung lahat ng family members nakaasa sa'yo?
My recommendation is that you really have to have a serious conversation with your family members. It may be your mom, your dad, your siblings, about your dreams in life, your real situation, your feelings about it. Now, what if you already have that conversation and then wala pa rin silang pakialam? Then you can set a certain amount kung magkano yung pera na ibibigay mo sa kanila. Let's say you're earning 25,000 pesos per month. Now, based on your family situation, in relation to your finances as well, ang willing mong ibigay at saka yung practical mo na ibigay sa kanila is around 10,000 pesos. It's like almost half of your salary. So, ang naiwan sa'yo is 15,000 for your expenses, for your emergency fund, for your investment. If your family accepts it wholeheartedly, then good. Pero kung magagalit sila because bakit 10,000 lang nang kinikita mo naman is 25,000, hindi mo naman kailangan ibigay yung 25,000 pesos because that's your money. They also have to contribute to the family. As Filipinos, we are very family-oriented. However, if we do not break this cycle, then wala talagang mangyayari. The moment you have your own child and your child will have their own child as well, meron ka ng apo, that mindset, that paradigm will never ever end. Kasi alam mo na kung anong dapat mong gawin pero hindi mo ginagawa. Kasi nga, mahirap siya. But you have to be a little bit stubborn and you need to stand your ground sometimes. Now, I'm sure na hindi ito applicable sa lahat ng family situations. What if ikaw lang yung only son? Wala na yung papa. Tapos yung mama mo, bedridden na siya. Sa iyo lang siya nagre-rely for financial support and for whatever reasons. If that's the case, you have a family responsibility over financial responsibility. Iba rin yung situation kapag they are able to work but they choose not to because they choose to rely on you. Magkaiba yun. Pero if they are unable to work and ikaw lang talaga makapag-provide sa kanila, even if they want to work but they cannot because of health reasons and whatever, ibang usapan din yun. That is why the principle is always there but the practice can adjust based on what's happening sa buhay mo. So audit your family situation and financial situation and adjust accordingly.